G'day! In today's video I'm opening up a MSI 5060 Ti 16GB Ventus White, and this particular one costs quite a bit actually. Looking online, it costs around between $850 or floating around about 850 Australian dollars, which for a 5060, yes it's a Ti, but damn, GPU prices have gotten bad. 5060 Ti for over $800. Previous generations, I would have expected that to probably be if it was a 2000 series, probably a 2070 Super. Really not much in this box. The Ventus, I believe, is the bottom of the start of the chain in the MSI series, the Ventus. So really not much here. What do we need in the way of power? Let's have a look. Strangely, the specifics don't mention power requirements. 128-bit memory bus does feel a bit low. Yeah, it makes no mention whatsoever regarding power. I'm assuming something like a 650 watt power supply should be ample, especially once we open up the card itself. Let me take a look. One card here, we have a lot of plastic all over the metal here. So a fair bit of peels going on. We have, on outputs, we have 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. HDMI display. Looking around the front here. Light fans. Don't know if we have any RGB. We have a single 8-pin power over here. Really not much more to mention. I'm going to get this into a build and see what it looks like from there. And bingo.